I mean, we didn't expect it, but we were supportive. We felt, like she herself said, that you have given me the education, you've given me the exposure, you've created that option, now I want to exercise that option. So I said, yes, definitely, you have to exercise the option. I can't say that, yes, do this and don't do that. To Zarur, we didn't expect it, but we were very supportive. We didn't expect Saif also to go into the film, because they were kept away from films completely. But that's what they chose, and we were supportive of that.
Soha, your thoughts on the same? Of following your mother's footsteps?
It's been 10 years since I chose to work in films. I remember not telling her because I was terrified of what my parents' reaction would be. And one thing I wanted to do more than anything else was to always make them proud. And I felt that because of my extensive education, that they perhaps wanted me to do something else. And one of the questions that I'm faced with most, which I've always said is such a ridiculous question, is that if you were going to be an actress, why did you study so much? And I've always thought that that was such a silly question, because an education is surely more than a means to a job. It's an end in itself. And it really has contributed, my education, into making me who I am. When I went to Oxford, it wasn't about learning history. I can't remember 5 history dates, but I learned how to balance a checkbook, how to make friends with people from all over the world, how to represent my country, how to operate a washing machine, how to cook, how to catch a bus. So there were so many things that I learned, and I discovered so many things about myself. So I think that this is my 3rd profession. One of the wonderful things about an education and that support system at home, which really enables you to be the best that you can be and try out different things without judgment. And that's something that I'm grateful for what I received from my family and from my school and the schooling that I got, was that I've been able to take chances that if Ford Foundation was something that I got a lot of satisfaction from, I wanted to then try what it was like to do investment banking. I did that for 1.5 years and realized that that wasn't something that I enjoyed, but I've always enjoyed acting and theater, so let me try films. So again, there was no judgment at home, which is something that I'm grateful for. The world may judge you, and the press and the media may judge you, but I think if you have a secure, non-judgmental schooling system and a family system, and people who encourage you to really try out things and be the best that you can be, then that's something that's very special. And I would want that for all the young girls out there.
Absolutely.
माएँ बनाती हैं बच्चों को. मैं एक बार सोहा से पूछना चाहूँगी, सोहा, आपने अपनी मम्मी को किसी तरह से सपोर्ट करने की कभी सोची?
मैं तो अम्मा,
she just got some toast for me. She thought I should eat because I was wilting with hunger. So
ऐसी छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें जब मुझे लगता है कि अम्मा अभी, मैं आपको बताऊंगी नहीं उनकी उम्र क्या है क्योंकि बहुत करीब बैठी हैं, तो लेकिन obviously I feel very protective और मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो comfortable रहे, उनको पानी की ज़रूरत है या अभी हम press conference कर रहे हैं तो will she be okay, तो I feel, लेकिन वो खुद इतनी मजबूत है और हमेशा से इतनी independent रही हैं और उनके पसंद इतने फर्म और बन चुके हैं अब तक. तो मैं जब छोटी थी, हम स्कूल ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे और हमेशा मैं अम्मा के लिए, या तो जब हम आगरा जाते थे तो एक ताजमहल में खरीदती थी, या हम उदयपुर गए तो मैंने कुछ हैंडीक्राफ्ट या कुछ सैलेड का कुछ फॉर्क और नाइफ खरीदा था. एंड शी वुड वेरी हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड देन पुट इट अवे एंड आई वुड नेवर सी इट अगेन. So then I quickly realized that she knows what she likes. So I try, हम actually हमेशा हर साल लंदन जाते हैं, अभी अगले महीने जाएंगे, और वहाँ पे of course हमें यहाँ पे घर में बहुत support staff मिलता है, वहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है. So then I'm aware of how I can help, and I can help carry groceries, and that's where I can be of assistance. Otherwise, she's really very strong and independent.
She's always made me a part of all her special firsts. Like whether her first day in school, first day in college, first day of anything. So, it's very special that she includes us in everything. So I think it's nice to be wanted by your children, and they share their happiness and their feelings with you. So I think to that extent, I feel very fortunate.
Ma'am, any instance, if you would share with us, of one of these special moments of your life with Soha?
Now, when the moment you say that, I just go blank because I think it's, every day these little things that,
Yeah.
that are always there. And whenever I have to make a decision, I mean, for instance, she's going to teach me how to do Skype, for instance. She's going to put that in for me. Like when I said I can't do SMSs, she says, of course, Amma, you can. And she taught me in 5 minutes because she's a very patient and a good teacher. My other daughter scolds me too much. And she says, so she says, so I just can't do it. I get nervous. But whereas she is patient and she teaches me, and I learn it very well. So there are these give and takes continuously. There are certain things that she knows much better than I do. And she does it very quickly and without fuss.